everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to get $50 from Westpac. Now, based on the recent information, Westpac in New Zealand is offering a $50 bonus for new customers who open a qualifying transaction account and meet specific criteria. Now, based on this promotion, the first thing you need to do is open a new eligible Westpac transaction account. This includes everyday, tertiary, career starter, graduate, or international students accounts. You must not have had an existing Westpac transaction account as of a specific date. Now, in the offer we found, this was Monday, February 17, 2025. The account needs to be opened within a specific promotional period. In the offer we found is between Tuesday, February 18th and Tuesday, March 18th, 2025. Add a debit card. You can order a Westpac debit MasterCard or Airpoints debit MasterCard for your new account. You can add a digital version to your phone's digital wallet to start using it immediately. Then you have to make 5 eligible purchases. So you must complete these purchases or online purchases. You can complete these eligible contactless or online purchases using your new debit card by a specified deadline. In the offer found, it was Tuesday, April 15, 2025. Eligible purchases include online payments, tap and go, or digital wallet transactions. Cash withdrawals and payments for cash equivalents are excluded. There is no minimum transaction amount. If you meet this criteria, the $50 bonus will be paid into your new transaction account by specified dates. In the offer we found, it was Tuesday 13th May 2025. So that's it. Now consider something. This specific offer was found for Westpac New Zealand and has specific dates for account opening and completing transactions. Promotions can vary by region and change over time. So always check the terms and conditions of any offer on the official Westpac website for the most up-to-date and accurate information, including eligibility requirements and offer validity dates. Hope you found this video helpful.